Detangling spray. Don't be afraid of it. I think most people get afraid to use detangling sprays because they feel like it's gonna weigh down the hair. Not this one. Spray it directly into the hair. Sometimes spray it into your hands. Start by putting product in the ends of your hair and then work your way to the root. It's a detangling spray, which basically is another word for a lightweight leave-in conditioner. Also great for detangling the hair. I mean, obviously, Kat's hair is all natural, but it's for all hair types, including colored hair, hair that's been chemically straightened. And what's great is this wide tooth comb really helps distribute the product evenly throughout the hair. I mean, the comb is brilliant. You can have it in your shower. It's waterproof. It's wide tooth. It goes easily through the hair. It's not going to get stuck. And kind of a pretty color. Yeah. I mean, if you're hungover and you can't see, it'll be in the shower and there it is.